Good evening, sir. Ah, ako si Carl Marcos. So, ang akong i-report sa inyo kay types of nationalism. Sa ako na ni base bahalag ang butog tama ba ning or mali akong pagsulti. So, akong presentation na din ang 14. So, unahan sa ako ning 7. Anong ethnic nationalism, civil nationalism, Spanish nationalism, romantic nationalism, cultural nationalism, third world nationalism, ug liberal nationalism. So ako nang pang report sa inyo ha. So number 1 ng ethnic nationalism. Ethnic nationalism emphasizes a common heritage and often believes that national unity comes from a shared ethnic. So kaning ethnic nationalism ka-emphasize siya sa common heritage, pero ang gabilib gapon sila sa kanang magabilib sila sa ilang dili sila magbase dapat pare-pareha na mag-share po sa silang gibase nila sa ilang background, sa ilang lahi nga na culture. So it actually excluded those who do not belong to the dominant ethnic group, and citizenship or belonging is based on descent rather than legal status or personal choice. So nag-dominant ethnic group, mga citizens nga belong pero gabi sigapon sila sa ilang legal status or sa ilang personal choice na pamili nga na. So na ako example ana. So ang example ana sa ethnic, the government promote ethnic nationalism by giving citizenship only people from the dominant ethnic group. Kanang mao na siya ang example. So number 2, civil nationalism. Civic nationalism promotes national unity through common laws, rights, and duties. So ang civic nationalism dahil sila ga-promote sa national unity through common laws, right o duties. Pero ga-include gyapon sila sa mga tao nga as long madawat sila ba silang nation, dili sila magbase ng dapat murag pantay-pantay. Hapit na sila magkapala sa ethnic na it supports democratic institutions, civil liberties, and is often exclusive and pluralistic. So ang example na ko is civic nationalism. Canada allows people of different backgrounds unite under shared laws and democratic values. Para sa Canada o nga dili sila magbase sa unsa pa na sila, dili sila magbase sa ilang mga background, dili na dawat na nila. Number 3, expansionist nationalism. So expansionist nationalism is aggressive and driven by the belief that a nation has the right of duty to take over the other lands, usually based on claims of cultural, historical, or racial superiority. It often leads to imperialism over war, as in Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan. So ang expansionist nationalism is kanang asa akong nasabtanan ni kaning sakop sila sa lain nga lungsod kay para lawak ang ilang lungsod ba para magkuhan sila war, kailangan man sakupon na nga lungsod. Napugoy ko na pareha ni sa Nazi Germany expansionist to justify invasion or neighboring countries na magsakop na sila. Mao na siyang expansionist nationalism. So, dili na punta sa romantic nationalism. Romantic nationalism emerged during the 19th century, influenced by Romanticism. It views the nation as unique spirit or soul shaped by its language, myths, music, and art. It celebrates the character of people and often ideals the past. So, ato para kang series sa gamit rang yang sulat pa makuha na mga para ito no limit ang iri. Ika nagapon na sa lab na it views nation is unique spirit of soul shaped by its language, myths, music, and art. Nag-celebrate ang character of people nga mga ideal silang past. Ang ang iyang example, romantic nationalism, 19th century Europe inspired people to write poems and songs celebrating their nation, history, and heroes. Murag kang tungong series lang iyang poem nga no limit ang giri. Man to. So, because of that, cultural nationalism seeks to protect and revive cultural practice, language, and heritage. Ang cultural nationalism daw kay madaw na sila nga murag gi-revive nila na kultura para di ba ang kultura sa una kay magyud murag ilang ibalik ba kay para pero pa ilang i padumdum nga ingana da ilang culturally sa una. So, practice language and heritage is more about identity and pride than about statehood, government, and it may exist even a stateless nation of minority groups within a country. Nako example ana, the movement that revived the Irish language is an example of cultural nationalism. Then dapat third world nationalism. A third world nationalism was common in Africa, Asia, and Latin America during the 20th century. So, kaning third world nationalism kay common na daw ni sa Africa, Asia, ug Latin ug America during sa karon nga 20th century. Ito combine anti-colonial system with the desire to build a unified national identity. So, ilag para ma-combine ang anti-colonial nga ma-desire nga mag-build sila para ma-unified ang ilang national ba, para maila-ila ilang national identity nga leaders like Gandhi, Nehru and Khomeini nag-promote sila sa nation to para palaban ilang imperial rule and ma-establish ang ilang sovereign nations. So example during the 20th century at national na ilang gitabang many African nation going to independence from colonial rule. So kanina po liberal nationalism. Ang liberal nationalism supports national self-rule and the idea that people should be free for their own government. Kani liberal nationalism kay dapat ilang suportahan na ilang kaugalingon, sila ray magbuot silang kaugalingon ba sa ibuhaton na murag na sila kalaya free will ba nga na from their own government. So it is exclusive, respect minority rights and encourage peaceful cooperation between nation. Respect minority rights nga ma-encourage o kanina ay peaceful na mo cooperate bisag kinsa